Hi everyone, Olga from Beginners here, and today I want to talk about something real, the power of a well-crafted marketing strategy when your resources are tight. A couple of months ago, we launched a unique product line that's specifically designed for tech startups and small businesses. They're called Essential Marketing Kits. That's exactly what you see on your screens now. And each kit is designed for a specific need. Today, I want to show you a case study of the go-to marketing strategy kit. And without further ado, let's get into it. We have customized our go-to marketing strategy kit for a startup, AI-driven analytics solutions for e-commerce. And just to give you a quick overview about go-to-marketing strategy kit, is perfect for new startups, for tech companies needing a comprehensive roadmap to navigate the complexity of market entry. This kit is designed to build your brand's foundation, focusing on a long-term strategic planning and establish a solid online presence. What this marketing strategy kit includes. First of all, it's a basic marketing analysis snapshot, a one-page marketing action plan, branding guidelines, single follow-up consultation, and the most important part is implementation guide. So anyone who's non-marketer will be able to follow this step-by-step guide to implement everything we designed. And a little bit more about the startup. It's an emerging tech startup providing AI-driven analytics solutions designed to optimize US e-commerce operations. What we have done for this startup, we analyzed the market, the US market, and you can see some graphs about the insights we gathered. So first of all, there's about e-commerce sales as a percentage of total retail sales and forecasted e-commerce revenue. Then, based on this snapshot, we identified ideal client profile. Our client is planning to approach small and medium businesses and e-commerce and retail. Market orientation is, I mentioned before, is US consumer market for now. Then the growth phase is businesses in the growth phase or ready to scale. They're collecting data but lacking the expertise or resources to analyze this data effectively. Some challenges. So cart abandonment, low conversion rates, unoptimized stock levels, and an effective marketing campaign targeting. Due to sensitivity of some information, I'm not able to share the whole snapshot. It's just an overview. Here is a visual representation of the identified opportunity areas for small and medium-sized e-commerce businesses. This graph highlights the priorities for each segment, with small businesses focusing more on affordability, user-friendliness, and ease of integration, while medium-sized businesses emphasize scalability, comprehensive insights, and operational efficiency. These values were meant to just illustrate how each business segment might prioritize various aspects like affordability, scalability, and customization, as well as support and training. Small businesses are practically looking for cost-effective, user-friendly analytic tools that offer actionable growth recommendation without requiring extensive technical support. Because normally small businesses have a limited budget and have limited human resources as well. Medium-sized businesses, on the other hand, seek analytic solutions that can scale with their expanding operations also providing comprehensive industry-specific insights. We've also done a basic SWOT analysis. For anyone who doesn't know what SWOT analysis means, it's company strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So strengths and weaknesses are internal company factors, where opportunities and threats are external factors. We also prepared one-page marketing action plan that consists of a few areas. First of all, identifying objectives and strategies. Then we plan key actions, key marketing channels, timeline, estimated budget, KPIs, and metrics. In this template, we provide with one example of what they can do. We also done some branding guidelines. So we provided the startup with recommendations for the brand identity. And on the screen, you can see a few examples of what we've done. Our client already got a designer that will be able to prepare our brand identity based on our recommendations. And as I said before, the most important part for a non-marketers, it is an implementation guide. It's a step-by-step customized guide that provides with a clear, actionable roadmap based on our analysis and your specific marketing positioning and your goals. By following the steps and leveraging the recommended tools, you can effectively implement the strategies we have developed together. When our client received the kit, the customized kit, we organized a follow-up consultation, and it also included in the kit. It is a structured consultation, and normally it's based on feedback on the review, analysis, and different adjustments and next steps. Our client had a few questions on implementation and also wanted to get a feedback on how they need to approach and what they need to do with the marketing plan, because they wanted to make some changes. That was a case study on how to use go-to-market strategy kit and what's included. And it's suitable for anyone who's entering the market or looking to refine a strategy. It's cost-effective, it's easy to implement, and it consists of all the essentials that you need for your strategy and your first step in the market. All templates are customized for each customer. As you could see, we do a market analysis and provide a basic customer profile, so you know who your customer is. And we also provide you with a customized template that you will be able to implement. If you have any questions or if you're interested in learning more, let's chat. This is your chance to really change your business for the better. Thank you for joining me today.